Well, hello class. It looks like we are down to the wire in the last chapter, chapter 13. And wow, how fast 8 weeks go by, huh? This particular week is going to be a very interesting week because it's going to involve a lot of different items on reflection and so forth. And I just wanted to bring you through some of the things we're going to be doing in this week 7. We're going to be breaking chapter 13 into part 1 and part 2. And as you can see, this particular week, October 8th through 13th, okay, you're going to notice that October 8th, part 1 on chapter 13 is going to be about making a personal leadership plan. And there's a really good video on that about leadership self-development. And I'd like you to watch that. And it's John Maxwell. And as you know, or may know, he is one of the foremost, basically, authorities on leadership. He talks about SMART goals, and you certainly want to pay attention to that. And what types of traits, strengths, weaknesses, we're doing a SWOT analysis on our leadership ability. Strengths and weaknesses, opportunities and threats. And he goes into emotional intelligence and the big 5. Try to pay attention to that. That would be part 1, and there are really no assignments to that. Then you're going to get into chapter 13, part 2, and look at DQ number 25. And objective number 2 in chapter 13 is explaining etiquette aspects that can help you achieve high EI, high emotional intelligence. Basically concentrating in the areas of social skills. Then, on October 10th, you get a free pass. No assignments. Isn't that neat? October 11th, we're going to be talking about Chapter 13, Part 3. And Chapter 13, Part 3 is going to be about continual learning and seeking of feedback. And that has to do with continuous learning. One of the roles of a mentor is to be someone who is able to help others, be a reflection model for these people. Look at feedback 360. So continuous learning and mentorship is really going to be important. And then you'll have DQ number 26, which talks about being yourself as a mentor. And October 12th and 13th is catch up and reflection. And going into next week, we'll have hypothetical number 2. And then 4 random DQs from any of the 13 chapters that we cover. And those 4 DQs will be forthcoming. So on that note, have a really good week and look forward to our last week. Catch up with you at the end of the week. Happy Columbus Day, by the way.